AS365 N3's Fenestron blades require precise thermal conditioning. These composites, the laser scanner maps the exact dimensions, ensuring the 7075 T6 alloy meets the unforgiving standards of aerospace metalworking.
Are the solvent levels correct for the 7075 T6 alloy?
Yes, the pressure is optimized. We are clear for the penetrant application.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of an automated factory environment. It features the whirring
The assembly is covered with specialized peel ply and release film before the vacuum bag is carefully sealed. Automated systems precisely transfer the vacuum-bagged molds into the autoclave for the critical high-pressure curing cycle. Temperature stabilized at 120 Celsius.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the cycle.
Highly precise robotic drilling creates the necessary mounting holes. Then specialized metallic inserts are secured and verified with a digital torque wrench.
The fluorescent penetrant inspection reveals any hairline cracks under the UV light, confirming the casing's structural integrity.
These sensors provide real-time performance monitoring, ensuring proactive maintenance and safety for the Dauphin gearbox.
The acoustic signature is nominal. Looks like the optimized blade design is working as expected.
Is the top foam seated correctly?
Yes, looks good. Secure the latches.
Check the clamps on the left side.
Secured. Alignment is perfect.
The robotic arm carefully lowers the massive output shaft. The laser alignment system confirms perfect concentricity as the shaft seats.
We have alignment across all sensors.
Confirmed. Absolutely perfect synchronization.
We're reaching maximum tolerance. Check the thermal array.
Confirmed. All green.
Thermal profile stabilizing at 180 degrees Celsius.
Efficiency readings are nominal. Let's proceed to the next phase.
What about this interface in here?
That's within tolerance. The cleaning process was successful.
The application of the security seal and the manifest signifies the conclusion of Process B, confirming integrity and ensuring traceability.
Torque on the blue line is complete.
Confirmed. Checking the sensor harness now.
Mast seated. Alignment confirmed. I'm seeing an anomaly on this bolt here. Let me see. Torque seems within limits, but let's double check the casing.
The diagnostic system confirms optimal oil pressure and temperature levels. Vibration logs show flawless performance during recent flight hours. The robust 7075 T6 aluminum main rotor gearbox casing ensures continuous, safe operation across global missions.